Just imagine you have to go somewhere and you are using Google Map. But there are two routes to your destination. One is main highway and one is short narrow road. The main highway is the route help you to reach your destination fast. But the shortest way is full of traffic. So Google Map chooses main road fastest way for you. But if there any problem in route, then Google Map instantly shift to short road. That's what is the work of EIGRP in network. Welcome to Stuff Networks. In today's video, we are gonna learn about EIGRP. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. EIGRP. Its full form is Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. So basically, Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol is a dynamic routing protocol helps router to choose their best and fastest path. It is developed by Cisco. Let's talk about why we need EIGRP. So let's take a small example. Imagine this is router A and this is router B. This is router C. This is network. This is network. Now router A wants to reach its destination. So which path is best for router A? Router B or router C? That's what is the work of EIGRP. EIGRP automatically choose best path for our routers. Let's talk about how EIGRP finds its best path. Basically, EIGRP take the help of k values to calculate best path. Now, the question is what is k values? K values is a set of numbers who decides which factors are used in EIGRP metric calculation. EIGRP protocol is originally designed by Cisco, and to make metric calculation flexible, k values are used. K values are 5 in numbers. Like this, K1 is bandwidth, used to factor in the lowest bandwidth along the path, and K2 load, account for the current utilization. The interface typically left 0 because it causes instability if utilized. K3 delay, measure the cumulative interface delay, crucial for choosing the best path. K4 reliability, represent the link reliability 0 to 255 left at 0 by default. K5 MTU, handles maximum transmission unit, usually set at 0, not used for path calculation. Now by default k values are like this: K1, K2, K3, K4 and K5. K1 is set at 1, K2 is set at 0, K3 is set at 1, K4 0, K5 0. K1 and K2 are set always at 1 by default. By default, these both are by default set at 1. This is the formula used to calculate the best path. The formula. This is how EIGRP calculate the best path. Let's talk about how EIGRP works. First, it discovers neighbors, which is known as neighbor discovery. First, routers detect each other using hello packets. Routers detect each other using hello packet. For example, this is router 1 and this is router 2. So router 1 send hello packet to router 2, and then router 2 replies back with hello packet. This process is called neighbor relation. The second step is route sharing. Routers share their routing information like RB bandwidth, 100 Mbps, and RC is bandwidth 10 Mbps. EIGRP finds best path using bandwidth and delay. For example, high band high bandwidth better and low delay better. These both are better. Now, this is the process how EIGRP works. Let's talk about what happens if router fails. For example, this is router A, this is router B, and this is router C, and this is your destination where router has to reach. EIGRP chooses B as the best path, but B contains some problem, so EIGRP automatically shift to C path to helps router A to reach its destination. Hope you understand it. I will tell you again. Imagine router A has to travel with B path because EIGRP chooses B router as the best path. But B router contains some issue. So EIGRP automatically shift router A to C path, which is router C, to reach router A to its destination. There are 5 packet types in EIGRP, which is known as H, U, Q, R, A. H is hello, U is update, Q is query, R is reply, and A is acknowledgement. Our next topic is tables in EIGRP. So, tables in EIGRP. EIGRP has two tables. First is topology table. This table stores best path and backup path. Stores best and backup path. And second is routing table. This table stores only the best path. This table stores only best path. Now, let's talk about administrative distance. This decides which route is best and trusted. For example, important values like this: EIGRP 90, OSPF 110, RIP 120. Lower value, lower value, more trusted. Means which protocol has very lower value is more trusted. Let's take a quick revision of EIGRP. EIGRP is a dynamic routing protocol, automatically choose best path and ready to use backup path which make network fast and reliable. Hope you understand EIGRP properly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon for future updates.